In this video, the secret to prevent aging, cancer, heart disease, and to stop kidney disease. Catherine from WO Kidney here. Welcome to our journey together to a better kidney health. What I have for you today is a molecule that's necessary to treat everything from high blood pressure to cholesterol levels, including cancer, diabetes, inflammatory conditions, and even aging. And according to research, it can also make all the difference in fighting kidney disease, especially for those in stage 4 and 5 of CKD. I'm talking about antioxidants. Your body uses antioxidants to balance free radicals, the cause of all diseases associated with aging. In a large review of studies, antioxidant therapy has shown powerful creatinine lowering and kidney repairing effects in people with kidney disease. Antioxidant therapy was found to significantly reduce development of end-stage kidney disease, lowered serum creatinine levels, and improved creatinine clearance. Researchers believe that pre-dialysis and dialysis patients, those in stage 4 and 5, are going to benefit even more from antioxidant therapy. If this seems too good to be true, consider that this is a review published in the Cochrane Library, probably one of the most reputable sources of health-related information in the world. So, guys, let's see what the top 5 ways to seriously improve our antioxidant levels are. Our number 1 in particular is so powerful it will feel like being 10 years younger in just 12 weeks of therapy. But before that, antioxidants are also an important part of our everyday diet. Let's see immediately what some incredibly healthy antioxidant superfoods are. Number 5. Kidney-friendly antioxidant foods. Be sure to include in your diet pomegranate. This fruit is as underrated as healthy. It's so full of antioxidants, vitamins, and phytochemicals that just eating it in small amounts daily can positively impact the health of people with kidney problems. In a recent study on kidney patients, blood pressure was reduced at the point that some patients were able to swap blood pressure medications for pomegranate juice. And also consider red cabbage. All cabbages are great additions to a well-planned kidney diet. They are low in potassium and calories, can be used in many healthy and tasty dishes. But red cabbage is richer in antioxidant, making it even healthier. And don't forget, blackberries. Berries should always be present in a renal diet. They're too healthy and low in dangerous minerals to be ignored. And blackberries are the best when it comes to antioxidant content. Also, don't forget grapes, in season right now and extremely healthy and delicious. Red grapes in particular are full of powerful antioxidants called anthocyanins, which are linked to controlling blood pressure, reducing damage to blood vessels, and protecting against heart disease. Now guys, these foods are powerful kidney protectors and a great part of a long-term renal-friendly diet. But if you want to raise your antioxidant levels fast right now, there are some supplements you should take into consideration. Our next entry in particular is not just very powerful antioxidant, it also has incredible properties in fighting kidney disease. Number 4. Supplement quercetin. Quercetin is a flavonoid with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. It's what makes apples, onions, and green tea so healthy for you. And obviously, you can get 100 times the quercetin in these foods by supplementing it. Supplementing quercetin is particularly useful for patients suffering from diabetes and cholesterol, as it's capable of improving blood flow to the kidneys. And it works! According to the University of Maryland Medical Center, it is effective in reducing inflammation and swelling in kidney disease patients. And obviously, it's a powerful free radical scavenger, alleviating the cellular damage done by oxidation and reducing the inflammation. It can basically make your body younger. Not to mention that it will give a huge boost to your immune system. Yes, quercetin is very powerful. It only has one downside. It's poorly absorbed by the body. It's a bit like turmeric that you always need to take with piperine if you don't want to waste it. So, if you are going to supplement quercetin, you will find that many manufacturers pair it with other active ingredients such as vitamin C or bromelain. If you follow my videos regularly, you are probably already supplementing vitamin C, so you can take quercetin at the same time. But I think that pairing it with bromelain is even better. Bromelain is a protein digestive enzyme that won't just make quercetin way more powerful. It also has many benefits by itself. It effectively fights pain and inflammation, and it can even lower your blood pressure. This is why when you combine bromelain with quercetin, they can have dramatic positive effects on kidney health. Just talk to your doctor before starting this supplement, as it can have interactions with blood thinners, increasing their efficacy. The therapeutic dosage for quercetin is 500 mg twice daily for 12 weeks. Do not take higher doses without the consent of your doctor. Now guys, if you want to add significant amounts of antioxidants to your renal diet without resorting to supplements, also consider these easy tips. Eat the peels. Whenever possible, leave the skin on fruit and vegetables. They often contain higher levels of nutrients than the pulp. And also, go seedy. Seeds offer great flavor and crunch, and they provide healthy fats as well as beneficial antioxidants. And don't forget to take time for a spot of tea. Both coffee and tea have high levels of disease-busting antioxidants, so don't skip your next tea time. Eat more legumes. Many kidney patients are told to avoid legumes altogether for their phosphorus and potassium content, but legumes are very rich in antioxidants. Some are also low enough in phosphorus and potassium, especially green beans, green peas, and chickpeas. Number 5, add colors to your plate. Not many people know this, but many of the foods richest in antioxidants are blue, red, orange, or black. And there are tons of different antioxidants that can help you. So the best way to get more of them is adding many colorful fruit and vegetables to your diet. Yes, variety in your diet may be key to a better kidney health. Time to talk about red wine now. Every time some new research or article show up telling us how healthy is to drink red wine, they are never really talking about the wine itself. What they are really talking about is our number 2. This is what makes red wine healthy. Number 2, Resveratrol. Yes, you can have the heart healthy and kidney restoring benefits of red wine without the risks connected to alcohol consumption. You just need to supplement Resveratrol. This is a polyphenol with powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, great to protect and improve your kidney health. In a study, resveratrol therapy significantly decreased serum creatinine levels and improved glomerular filtration rate or GFR, suggesting an improvement in kidney function. This study used between 150 mg and 450 mg of resveratrol over a 12-week period. And while just adding around 10 mg of resveratrol per day can be already effective, that's what you will get from food sources. Most supplements you can find contain around 500 mg of resveratrol, and that's the dosage I would personally choose for an antioxidant therapy. Researchers think that resveratrol is especially effective in people with kidney disease in the advanced stages, caused by diabetes or hypertension. Now, what you should know before purchasing an antioxidant supplement is that In most cases, synergistic amounts of 2 or more substances is more effective than 3 or 4 times higher dosage of a single element. This is why all the most effective supplements you can find will have 4, 5 or sometimes even 10 different ingredients together. And while I always recommend to do your own research and consult your doctor before starting any supplement, I'm also managing a list of all the most well-researched and safe remedies for kidney health. It's on newhopeforkidneypatients.com, my own website, and the link is in the description. Time now for the most powerful home remedy when it comes to stopping dangerous free radicals and restoring the damage done by aging and oxidation. What it is? I'm talking about the mother of all antioxidants, the master detoxifier and maestro of the immune system. Our number one is glutathione. Glutathione is a powerful antioxidant found in every cell in the body. It has many important functions in the body, including making DNA in the cells, supporting and breaking down free radicals. Researchers have found links between low levels of glutathione and various diseases, kidney problems included. The kidneys in particular are highly dependent on an adequate supply of glutathione to maintain normal function. Unfortunately, toxin exposure, poor diet, chronic diseases, infection, and stress can seriously lower your levels of this powerful antioxidant. Getting these levels back to normal can have a powerful kidney restoring effect, according to studies. There are various ways to improve these levels. Glutathione supplements can be taken, or you can take supplements that activate the natural glutathione production in the body, such as milk thistle and N-acetylcysteine. As usual, don't forget to consult your doctor before taking this supplement. And guys, a very interesting new video is coming next Friday. I hope to see you there. In the meantime, keep taking good care of your kidneys and be good to yourself. This is all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye!